Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your Bhaiya Faisal. Now, right now I'm at Amsterdam Sloterdijk, and today I'm going to Zaandam. There is lots of unique buildings, bar, restaurant. So, deri na kore cholo shobai Zaandam. Now, right now I'm in the station, so I'm going to cut the ticket. It's right behind me. There is a ticket counter, so I'm going to cut there. The city of Zaandam, where you can see some unique buildings. It's really nice, amazing view here. It's Zaandam City Corporation House. They call Gemeente. It's really nice and wonderful view here. I guess I'm feeling a little bit hungry, so I'm going to grab some food. So let's go the Albert time. Now, here is all my favorite things. All of chocolate is here. Now, it's really quite a small city here. আর আমি এখন শপিং স্ট্রিটে হাঁটতেছি, অনেক সুন্দর দেখতে। বিকজ অফ করোনা নট দ্যাট মাচ বিজি হিয়ার। আর এই জায়গাটা অনেক সুন্দর আমার চারদিকে। সামনে ছোট ছোট ব্রিজগুলো অনেক সুন্দর দেখতে। চলো সামনে যাওয়া যাক। So as you can see the restaurant, and the weather is pretty nice. It's really nice weather here today. it's time to go back to home. So already 6 o'clock and now everything is literally closed here. So I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel and write down comment what you like to more to see interesting place. And I hope to see you in my next video. Our train is here already.